Yeah, no rats living in my shit.
The only thing I'm gonna do is bring the drill. Fucking chop those out.
It's fine.
No, it's not fine because I gotta get you all of that.
Ready? Releasing.
It's not as cold as I thought.
Take the GoPro off your head because that's how you got into a freaking accident.
No, I didn't. You like to blame things on little things.
What do
Come
you
on.
want me to do?
Get in.
Get in. We're gonna tell you.
Just hold.
You press and hold. You put down when we tell you let go. When we tell you pull, just pull this straight up, all the way.
Okay, so press it.
Oh no no.
Yeah, not yet. Let us get behind the car.
Hold on. Make this easier for us. You hear us, right? Ready? Let go.
All right. And when I tell you to let go of the brake, you let go of the brake. Ready? Let go of the brake.
Let go. Now we're up.
Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. All right, Dylan, get in.
Stop. Pull it. Pull it, Ma.
Go ahead. You go get it. Hurry up. Go, 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 go.
Oh, she pulled it.
Surrender.
Pull it back up. Hold on. Wait, wait. Turn it this way.
I did.
Let it go. Ready?
Hold on. Yeah, roll it in. Straighten up.
Hold on.
Slow down.
Straighten up. Straighten up. Oh, the one you can stick on. And we gotta put a wood to hold this thing.
What?
Like a little wood.
The-
Same pipe that we used last time.
You guys done with me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ma.
But okay.
Help is still help. Oh, shit.
In the hole there.
Which one? This?
Does it go? Can you
This
do
one right here?
And this.
Go. It's good. This is gonna hold it. I can put it back in park, right?
Yeah.
Back in park.
Take the battery back off.
Is it in there? I need to look at that when I get the chance. Because maybe the terminal inside of here probably blew itself. After whatever happened. We're good. That's for these ones, right?
That's for the radiator. You need to take this one off.
This lower piece. So my friend Steve's car doesn't turn back on now. So now me and him in the same situation.
This truck?
Yeah, that Ford one. The Ford one. The snow is what took him.
That's what happens. Here, come and help me look for this freaking torque set wrench. It's gotta be in here somewhere.
Kitty litter.
It's just antifreeze.
I know. I was just catching it. Where? Oh, it fucking was. Son of a bitch. I think that's... Where?
Yeah. It's not supposed to be like that.
It's flat though.
It's not flat. You see the marking there?
Yeah, I see the marking.
That's the markings from the fan.
You got two hoses at the bottom.
Shine the light right here. I'm looking at this one here. This one comes off. She comes off.
I think this is fine. I don't think that's desperately gonna need to change. Right here too. Here, try this one. Right over there. I don't need you dying on us. I got it right here. I got one right here. Got it. Man, that shit busted right fucking through. That's fucking crazy. Damn.
It's good.
All right, so what do I have to keep in mind of what's damaged so far? Inspect me
Let me, where's the light?
and educate me. That one doesn't work.
Where did this one come from?
You just gave it to me.
I have two of them.
You gave it to it was in your hand.
See that?
Yeah.
See that?
What? What am I looking at?
That.
Yeah.
It's a crack. That's another hose. It goes this way. And it goes up. It gets connected there. Where does it go? It's like that way.
So that whole pipe is done.
Move that out of the way.
Copy.
Pick the rest of the book. Open the door for me.
Upstairs. I'll inspect this a little bit more.